Hey, it's JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. What you see in front of you is a pair of cargo shorts. I know, not very glamorous, but today we're going to talk about an urban EDC loadout for cargo shorts or pants. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the description or pinned comment for some cool original stuff. Thanks. So when I'm not in a three-piece suit, which is most of the time, I wear cargo shorts or Bermudas when I go out. It's just comfortable and I find it very convenient in terms of the pockets. Now, I do not fill up my pockets. I do not actually like all these bulges in my pockets, but I do find it convenient, especially if I do buy things and I don't have a bag, then I just stuff my pockets. But in terms of an EDC loadout, I think I go pretty lightweight, and I just noticed a stain over here. I have no idea what that is. Let's assume it is dog saliva. Okay, anyway, when I go out, I want my EDC loadout for my cargo shorts to be relatively light. And I'm going to show you what I carry. Now, cargo shorts typically have your main pockets in front, right? Just like pants pockets. But then they also have these two side pockets. And these are slightly lower down, just above the knee. Now, they are generally very spacious, but I do not like to put too heavy of items inside, and I do not like them if they are, let's say, like a knife, a folder, or even a Swiss Army knife. I won't like it loose inside because it bounces around and I don't like that feeling. If I do put something inside, I like it more flat and more secure, something that may fill up the area size of the pocket so I don't feel it bounce and hit in my pockets. If I do have smaller items, I would put them in the front pockets. And let me show you what I have. In the right front pocket, I always have, I guess, my access card for my apartment, as well as a key fob. So I guess any time that I want something which is small but it's got to do with, I guess, my property, I would always put it in my right pocket. And then in my left pocket, it's always my mobile phone. In my right drop-down pocket would be some kind of a loadout. I don't carry a folder with cargo pants because I just think it's too much. And in this, I would carry a pack of tissues or wet wipes like this. So that's basically all I carry. And this is assuming I'm going out just for a day where I can last a full charge on my phone. Now, if I do have to go out for a much longer time, like day and night, and I don't think I have enough juice in my phone, I would have to bring a power bank, in which case I will bring a sling bag. I will not load up everything in my cargo pants pocket because like the power bank, it's pretty heavy. With the cable, it's a bit bulky. If you put it in, it's just going to feel heavy. It's not going to feel good. So let me break down these items very quickly now. Okay, so let's talk about the items that I bring around. You notice I don't have a wallet because everything is now digital, contactless payment on the phone. Even beggars do not accept cash. They want you to bank in money through a QR code. But so that's why everything's in my phone. So if you lose your phone, yep, you're probably dead. And then I have wet wipes, as mentioned, key fob and access card. I don't have keys because I have a digital lock for my place. So really what's interesting would then be this EDC loadout. So this is really just kind of a pouch. This is the Viper Aid VE15. And I just want a small pouch that can keep everything. It's got more of a rugged look, so I think it fits the cargo attire. And I have a pen over here. This is a Zebra expandable pen. I've got an Olight i3T. And I've got a Swiss Army knife. This is the compact with my setup. And I've talked about this in a previous video. You can check it out in the link in the card above or description below. Many people have asked about this Swiss Army knife pin. I agree, it's a really nice lapel pin, and I got this from the official Victorinox shop, online shop in Malaysia. So I'm not sure if you can find it in other countries, but you can check it out. So it is an official Victorinox product, and I thought that was really cool. Now on the other side, we've got some morel patches. Stay sharp. This is a durian, which is a tropical fruit known for its thorns, so that's why it stays sharp. And then we've got rule number 9 over here, which is Gibbs rule, but honestly it looks like rule 3, so maybe it's someone else's rule. And inside this zipper compartment, I've got quite a few different items. We've got some cordage in terms of Kevlar thread, a roll of gaffer's tape, got some paracord over here. Cable ties, I've got 2 cable ties. And I believe I've got this, which is kind of a first aid kit with some paper clips. I'll go through that in just a bit. And I have, I think, just one more item, and that's eye drops, so disposable eye drops. In an urban environment, it does get very dusty, so I find that quite useful. In this package over here, this is really a cut down plastic ID holder, and I've got 2 paper clips. One is 2 inches long, one is 3 inches long, and you notice I've got 2 points sharpened. I'm just going to pull that open so you can see it a bit better. So it sharpens to a needle point. And I've talked about paperclip hacks in a previous video, so do check out that link in the card above or description below as well. And over here is just a bit of a boo-boo kit with some plasters or band-aids, and I have a safety pin as well. Personally, I found this Hansa Plus. I'm not sure if you have it in your country, but I found this actually the best in terms of keeping on the skin. Even better than the Nexcare I found in terms of being waterproof and just staying on. Well, there you have it. That is my cargo shorts EDC loadout. I hope you enjoyed this small discussion. If you have a similar loadout, do let me know in the comments below. Or if you have something completely different, let me know what you load out in your cargo pants pockets. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.